Greetings from Cancun, Mexico. Right now we're looking at the Puerto del Mar condominium residences off of Lopez Portillo, going towards the Puerto Juarez ferry terminal, going to Isla Mujeres. There's a shot of the property, 1, 2, and 3 bedrooms for sale for I'm not sure the price, have to check that out. Yeah, and there's quite a modern tower there and a couple down there, and we're just down on the beach today. We are swimming up and down a shallow rock reef that has barracuda swimming through it, protecting their turf, I guess, as it were. And there we are coming around. That's the hotel zone, of course, all the super big hotels. And there is Barry Barracuda. That's Barry Barracuda. He's from Frogman Unlimited. And if you want to come down here to Cancun, Mexico, he'll give you a tour around. Yeah, show you the Barracudas, because he's Barry the Barracuda. There's fishing boats, nice small community fleet, which is excellent to conserve the numbers, I guess. And there we have the Puerto Juarez and the ferry, where it goes to Isla Mujeres. Fishermen coming around. And that gives you an idea sort of what the area looks like. There's a vacant lot there with a ruin on it. And here we are back to our beginning. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and give me a like if you did. Thanks for now.